Stop scrolling. If you want to make money with AI, but you don't want to be on camera, don't want to show your face, and don't want to learn complicated editing, this is the perfect method for you. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B, and this is part 2 of my new AI money series where I show you real ways to earn using tools you already have at home. Let's get into it. The first way to make money with AI without showing your face is by creating faceless content. And I'm not talking about running those big faceless YouTube channels. I'm talking about short, simple clips you can create using AI-generated scenes. These videos work on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, even Facebook Reels. The reach is huge. And here's how it works. You use AI tools like ChatGPT to write the script, CapCut to edit, and Google Vids or other AI video tools to generate the visuals. You never show your face, the AI gives you clean, aesthetic B-roll or full scenes that look professional. Then you voice it over or let AI voice it. The second way you can make money faceless is by selling micro videos to brand new small businesses. A lot of people don't want to get on camera, so they pay creators for faceless product demos, educational content, or quick reviews. You can charge $25, $75 per video, and AI does most of the work. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning fast. The third method is offering AI-powered digital services. These are things like rewriting product descriptions. Let's look at how AI can help you generate engaging social media captions and design digital products instantly. Making social media captions, creating content calendars, or designing simple digital products with AI. You never need to show your face. And most people don't know how to use AI properly, so they will pay for the help. The fourth method is voiceover work. If you have a clear speaking voice, you can voice AI in videos, ads, UGC, tutorials, or even do audiobook work. You don't need to appear on screen. You only record your voice. And the last method is affiliate marketing using AI-generated content. AI scripts, AI videos, AI B-roll, and you can post everything faceless and still earn commissions. A lot of my affiliate success came from TikTok videos where I didn't show my face at all. And so if you want to make money with AI privately and simply, start with faceless videos, the microservices, and AI-powered digital products. These are the fastest ways to earn without any experience. If you want part 3 of this series, comment PART3. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my links below for tools and products I actually use.